Okay, let's sort these things out now. Okay, I have here my rings. Here's my rings. And I have here my glasses. Here, I shall put it there. I already put my sticker. Thank you for supporting my small business. This there. Okay. Okay, hi guys. So, thank you so much for sending this to me. I will link down below their store. It's very adorable, guys. Look at that. Wow. That's so cute. They said it's 1,000 pieces per bag. Oh, what they got here. Wow, it's so cute. I can use this one. And what else do we got here? They have this cute, these for ponytails. The dinky ones. For your little kids, you can have this one. Oh, what is this? Wow. Wow, that's so cute. The colors are so pastel. This also. Wow, thank you so much for these. And they have here this tiny little roll. This one also. Wow, so pastel. It's aesthetic. And they have here these bags of Beauty, Sweet Sunshine, Sanrio in Bisaya. That's Daisy there. A cute little bag. And this one is pins. Oh, look at that. It's very aesthetic. Then we have 2 pieces of pins. Wow, it's so cute. I like this one. It's just the same. Yeah, it's just the same. Very sulit, guys. And affordable. You can have this one, and I will link down below their store. Thank you so much.